Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you automatic PP strip packaging machine for EPS block sheets. This PP strip packaging machine is working individual. It does not work integrated with the current EPS cutting line. We can do automation if customer requests it. The packaging size of this PP stripping packaging machine you see in this video, max width is 1000 mm, height is 600 mm. We can customize special packaging size. The advantage of this packaging machine is the cost of the equipment is low and the cost of the tape is also low. The disadvantage is that it's easy to damage the four corners of EPS package. We have other type of EPS film wrapping machine if you are interested. Please check the link in the description area. For more information about EPS machine, please reach us by email or leave your comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. I'll see you next video.